Hello guys, good morning guys. I'm going to work guys. I'm going to work now. First day guys. Please watch my YouTube channel guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Pilipina Nepali Buhari guys. Mahigpit na dun ngayon. Kasi nagkaroon na ng amnesty. Say hi to my vlog.
Pa yun, mga December. December.
First day to my work, guys. Good luck to me. See you later, alligator. Of course. So guys, dito na ako sa trabaho, guys. Nag-i-exercise pa sila sa snow. Be, tatalon lang ako.
Talon ka lang pala eh.
I'm here.
Doon, sa snow, sa marami.
Hindi ako pwedeng mahiga. Thank you guys. Ang lamig. Gusto kong maligo pero ang lamig. Oh my God. Ang lamig. Wala pa yung taxi guys. This is my work guys. Under the snow guys. First time guys. I'm picking up the snow. Oh my God.
Ayun kay ano, kay Sorry. Wala.
Good morning guys. Good morning. Snowfall guys.
Ayun ko muna kayo.
Oh guys, tuna na kabalyo. Horse. Kabalyo. Horse. Only here in Astana guys. Masarap yan. Magkano yan?
Something.
1,200. Mura lang palang cost of living nila dito. Yan o, 800. Prutas, kumuha ka ng prutas. Gusto niya ng prutas. I need this one. What is that? Yogurt. Ice cream. I'm searching the egg. Where is the egg, guys? Small market. Hello guys, good evening guys. Just now I came from my work. Just now I finished my duty. This is the life of abroad. This is the life of abroad guys. I'm struggling. First time like this. And it's cold also outside because there is snow. That's why I'm struggling. But laban lang, what to do yani. And I just finished to eat my dinner. I also take medicine for my protection. And I'm washing also my clothes because tomorrow I have a grand work. I will show you.